Hello, this is Maestro X. Before I go over today's word of the day, let me remind my students that as you are watching and listening to this video, you should not be doing anything else except focusing on what you're watching and what you're listening. You have a wonderful opportunity to learn here, and it doesn't take too long to watch these videos and listen to the videos, so pay close attention. Alright, today's academic word of the day is mood. And it's the level 2 academic word of the day for week 2, quarter 4. Let's take a look at your flashcard. As you look at this flashcard, you'll notice there might be some changes. There are some changes to what you have written on your flashcard. So I'm going to return to the flashcard at the end of the video, and I'll leave it a bit so that you can copy the changes. Don't need to copy right now, just listen and watch. Overall has 3 syllables, and your emphasis or stress is on the 3rd syllable, all. So we say overall, overall. And it is used as an adverb or as an adjective. And you can see we are upgrading the status of overall, the adjective, to part of your definitions that you need to memorize, because it is commonly used as an adjective as well as an adverb, and you need to know both definitions. Okay, let's take a look at the first adverb definition first. So the first adverb definition means including everything or everyone in total. And so you can use this, for example, when you're talking about what you need in order to pass English 2, 3, and 4. You need to get 70% overall on your proficiencies. You have 9 proficiencies. On each of them, you have to get 60%. On all of them, overall, you need to have 70%. So in total. So we're also going to put that as your synonym for that first definition, which you'll add at the end of the video. The second and third definitions are very similar, even though they're different parts of speech. The adverb definition is generally, when you consider everything. And the third definition, the adjective, is just in general, including all the things or people that are involved in a particular situation. Okay. This might become clear when we look at your sentence example. In your sentence example, we talk about mood being the overall atmosphere created by the text. Okay, that's one definition or way you can describe it. Okay, here overall is being used to describe atmosphere. Okay, the overall atmosphere in general. And atmosphere is a noun, so here overall is being used as an adjective to describe the noun atmosphere. Okay. We can also talk about mood being used to describe how the readers feel overall. Okay. So when readers, read a text, they'll have certain feelings throughout the entire text, and so their feelings overall, how they feel overall, is how we can use it as an adverb. Here, overall is an adverb describing the verb feel. Okay? So feel overall, overall atmosphere. Either way, you can use it. Alright, so, popular genre are scary stories, horror stories, and how do they make you feel? They make you feel scared or fearful. Alright, so you can say you feel scared overall. You can use that as an overall, as an adverb. Or you can say the overall atmosphere is fear. Okay, don't get mixed up with the noun. It doesn't relate. There's a noun form, overalls, with an S on it, that refers to a piece of clothing that consists of pants with an extra piece of cloth covering the chest, held up by strips of cloth over the shoulders. And that's just a long description to describe this piece of clothing of these lovely ladies, worn by these lovely ladies. Overalls. Do you own a pair of overalls? Anyway, this term overalls has nothing to do with this overall, okay? Unless you want to think, well, it's covering more of you. So I guess you could say it's covering more overall. But just let you know. Okay? So you have your synonyms in total, universally, mostly, usually. That's your adverb. Total or complete for your adjective. And your antonym, specific or specifically. I should probably add specific as well, because now we're having your adjective definition. So that is your academic word of the day. Again, you need to make these changes onto your flashcards. I'm going to leave it up for you to change. You can take out your flashcard now and make these changes. I will be looking to make sure you have them done. All right. And write an original sentence using overall as an adjective or an adverb, and include an illustration and put it in the space here. Make sure the sentence is about you. Okay, happy studying. Again, I'll leave this up for another minute or 2 minutes so you can copy. Okay, I'm going to end this video in 15 seconds. So if you need more time, then you should click on pause so that you can be sure to get all the changes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.